On number 4 in lesson 1.1, it says to write the recursive rule for an arithmetic sequence. So I'm just going to keep track of the clues they give us. Arithmetic. It says that the first term is 6, and the common difference is 3.2. So to write a recursive rule, we have all the information we need. We just have to put it in recursive notation. And the first way to do that is to use a U. The U stands for the term, the general term number. The 1 tells us which term we're talking about. And we're going to say that equals 6 because the first term is equal to 6. Then we're going to describe the pattern, and we always use a U sub n. That means we could find any term, U sub n, if we know the term before it, and the term before it would be 1 before it, so n minus 1. And since the common difference is 3.2, notice that's a positive 3.2, then I'm going to be adding 3.2 every time. We know that arithmetic sequences are always adding or subtracting. So there's my sequence, and then we just add a general thing at the end to show that we're going to use this sequence to move forward and not backwards. We want our term numbers to get larger. There's our formula, so that part is done. And then the second part says use this recursive rule to figure out the 10th term. So I want to just organize it in a table. These are my term numbers. And then we'll put our actual terms on the bottom. So we need to go all the way to the 10th term. First term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. Uh-oh. Ran out of room a little bit. And since we know that our first term is 6, I'm going to go ahead and put that as our first term. We're going to use the pattern, which is adding 3.2 to find the next term. So if I add 3.2 to 6, I'm going to get 9.2. Now I have to add 3.2 to that term. We get 12.4. We'll add again. And I'm not going to keep writing it, but I'll continue to add 3.2. I get 18.8. I'm using a calculator just to check my work as I go because it's easy to make a small mistake. And if you make a mistake along the way, unfortunately, it's going to affect your final answer. Plus 3.2, 31.6. And we'll add 3.2 one final time to get our answer, which is 34.8. So the 10th term of our sequence is 34.8. Thanks for watching.